Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. This course will introduce a common use of the File Exporter module. Our goal is to add the date of the day to the file name when copying a file from a workspace to a specified folder. Let's review the File Exporter module output variable. The format of output variable is an array of objects. Users need to put the files to be output into the output array according to their requirement. The object in the output array represents a file to be output. The src key in the object represents the name of the file to be output from the workspace, and the dst key represents the name of the file to be output to the destination folder. Take the output in the slide as an example. It means we want to output file 1.pdf from the workspace to the specified folder and name it new_filename.pdf. Information. If you want to adjust the output file name, you have to adjust the value of the key dst according to your needs. Next, I will explain how to add today's date to the file name while exporting the file. Our goal is something like the situation shown on the screen. We want to export all the files from the left workspace to the destination folder on the right. While exporting the files, we also add today's date to the file names. Next, let's look at the reference code. Since our goal is to get the day's date, in the first line of the code I use the function moment from the moment.js library to get the day's date string and save it as a variable called date. The moment.js library is available in all code editing areas of EMILY.RPA. The moment.js library can be used to handle time data very easily. Whether it is time calculation or time format conversion, it can be handled very quickly. For more information on how to use moment.js, please refer to the moment.js tutorial video and online documentation. Next, the part of the code from line 2 to 9 is to export all the files of the workspace to the destination folder. The key part is line 7. While exporting, we want to change the file name to the date of the day plus the original file name. So we have made some adjustments to the value of the dst. We use template strings to change the output file name to date plus file name. Let's actually write the code and test it. First, you need to prepare two files and import them into your workspace. Open Emily Training Mode. Open the workspace. Use the Import Files function to import each of the two files into the workspace. Verify that the files are imported correctly into the workspace. Next, open the File Exporter module. Click the Pick button to select the destination folder for exporting the files. Click the Debug button to open the debug utility and switch to the console page. Next, start writing code in the code editing area. First, I declare a variable called date, which is the current date. To get the date, I use the moment function from the moment.js library. Next, I want to output each file in the workspace. So use input for each to make each file in the workspace do the following. Next, to output the file to the destination folder, use output push to push the relevant information to the output variable. Use output push to put the contents of the output variable into an object containing the src and dst keys. src is the name of the source file, i.e., the name of the file in the workspace. dst is the name of the output file. We want to add the date of the day to the output file name, so we set the value of dst to a template string and put the variable date, which is the date of the day, in front of the file name. When writing is complete, press Test and verify that the file is correctly exported to the destination folder. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.